Hey friends, it's me Stace. For today's video, I thought I would share with you how I store and organize my project life cards. So here are my 3x4s. I have more 3x4 as well as 4x6 as well. So first we have these containers. I have two of them. These came from an old cedar chest we weren't using, so I thought they'd be fine for project life. So to separate the cards, I just have a piece of cardboard I cut down to fit inside there as a divider. Then I have my category cards. This is just a piece of cardstock I cut down 3x4. I rounded the corners off and added a label. For the labels, I use these. I got these off Amazon. I really do like them. It's a hard plastic, and they have the piece of paper that goes inside. You can write on them, and then they have this adhesive on the back that you put on top of your cards. I used to have them to where I made my own little file folders, but I found over time by me flipping through, they would get worn down. So I do like the plastic. And all the wording, I did that in my Cricut Joy. All right, so here we have my cards. I'm going to go left to right. First we have colors. So I have black, blue, brown, gray, green, multi. So multi cards are like this that have multiple colors on them. Then we have orange, pink, purple, red, solid. These are cards, again, cards are just cut down. White and yellow. Then we have the actual category. So my first category is bubbles. These are cards that have speech bubbles on them. They can have words on them. You'll see that has a word on it. This has a word on it, but if it's a speech bubble, it goes there. If I was looking for a speech bubble, I would go in that category versus in a word. All right, next we have celebrate. I only have one card here. This is like little birthday candles. Then we have current, like things I'm doing, watching, reading, that kind of thing. Next are foil, any card that has foil on it. So you can see we have filler cards, word cards, journaling cards. All right, then next over here we have floral. I do have quite a few of floral cards. Now these can easily go in multi, but if I'm looking for a floral image, I'd go here first before I go to my multi section. My next section is food. I don't have anything in there yet, but that is my next section. Then we have glitter. Same idea, cards that have glitter on them. So they could be word cards, journaling cards, okay, that kind of thing. Next we have hobbies. I have nothing there either, but I do plan on making some project life cards to go in there. Next is home and family. Cards like this that have home, family, houses. So that was home and family. Then we have images. These are cards that have images. So these are hearts, butterflies, a camera, clouds, birds, kites. Alright, then after images we have letters. These are cards that have letters on them. They can be journaling cards like this. They could be just the cards like that, or just individual letters. And then we have list and list specific. So the regular list are things like this. On the list, to-dos, the list there, to-do list, things you can make a list out of. And then list specific are more prompty type cards. So then like this, daily routine, favorites, from this day, about this book, I love it when, things we did, places we visited. They're list specific. All right, after that we have love, and a card that has hearts on them. Even title cards go in here as well, word cards. All right, after love we have outdoor. Nothing is in there yet. Then we have numbers. This is the same thing as the letters, just numbers. And then after that we have photos. So these are cards I thought I could put a photo here. Like this is a Good Eats card. This makes me, you can check it off, put a photo there. Magical moments, we were here, those type of things. Then we have seasons. So I have fall, spring, summer, and winter. So under my fall section we have cards like pumpkins. They could be for Halloween, Thanksgiving, just a regular fall type card, Halloween. Any kind of holiday or occasion that happens under those fall months will go in there. For spring, same thing. I have some St. Patty's Day cards there. Summer, winter. Okay, these are like Christmas cards. Then I have special. These are these overlays. They go into the special category. Then last in this row, we have symbols. So this has banners on them, arrows, ampersands. Okay, I consider those all symbol cards. All right, our last row, or our second to last row, we have month, day, year. I used to have these in the same category, but I did break it down some more. My first category is date. Any card that has a date on it or a place to put a date would go here. Okay, that's what all those are. Next we have today. So these are cards that have the word today on them, like this. Today, this happened today, about today, today was, today, you know, another today was card. So they are my today cards. Then we have week. So these are cards that have the days of the week on them. Sunday through Saturday, this week, this weekend, about our week. After that, we have month. So these are month cards. This month at a glance. Now this can go under numbers, but I figured it has 31 days on it, so it made sense for me to have it in a month section versus a number section. All right, then after that we have words, and I do have a few categories for my words. So word cards are like this. Just cards that have words on them. So these are all my vertical words. After that we have horizontal. Cards that go this way. Really, really cute. I don't really use these cards too much, but I might. It just depends. But they are my horizontal words. After that, I have words with pictures. So you can see this one has a bike on it with words, a camera, a mason jar, light bulbs. Okay, so these are words that have images on them. They can be both vertical and horizontal in that category. There's not a whole lot in that category. All right, then we have grid. I do have two categories for grids. I have regular grid and I have grid color. So regular grid would be cards like this. Just have, I mean, they can have like a little thing here, little thing there that I can cover up, but just a regular grid type card. Then we have grid color. So these are cards like this. They have a grid with a border around them, or just part of it with color. They can be floral. There's no specific categories or the way I organize them. If they have a border or any kind of color that I really can't cover with washi tape, that's where they'll go. And I do like these. I do use these a lot because I'm able to use them either way. Then after that, I have some small index cards. Then I just have these stencils here on that side just to kind of keep them up. I'm not able to fit another row of 3x4s there. I just want to scooch this out of the way and bring over the other piece, the other box. These fit right in my room on top of my cubes. So here I have just some stencils that I might want to use in Project Life. So now I have more 3x4 cards, 4x6. These are all journaling cards. And I do have, you'll see a few categories. So we have journaling here, just plain journaling type cards. They can have little images on them, hearts, doesn't really matter. Okay? All right, after that we have horizontal journaling cards. These are cards that have the lines going that way. Then we have love journaling cards. So these have hearts on them, hearts this way. And again, these can go either way. This one has love you more, heart with a speech bubble. So even though this is a speech bubble, I would use it more for a heart card or a love card. So I would put it in my love category. Little love symbols there. All right, then we have journal specific. So like my list specific, we have journal as well. These are things you would journal specifically about, like the best of times, thoughts from today, how it all went down, that one time, read this, enjoy, those types. All right, then we have horizontal. So the same thing specifically, but they're horizontal. So this one says, this pretty much sums up my day. Let's go on adventure, perfection, live, laugh, love. Okay. All right, that is it with my 3x4 cards. So now we have the 4x6, and kind of the same categories, but not as many. So we have my colors first: black, blue, brown, gray, green, multi, and again, these are cards like this. Orange, pink, purple, red, solid, and again, solid is just cardstock I cut down. Yellow and white. Then we have bubbles. So again, it'd be the same idea. If it has a bubble on it, it goes there. Foil cards are here. Florals. Then we have glitter. So all my glitter cards are there, and it could be a plain glitter card, it could be a word glitter card. I don't know if I have one in here, but any kind of glitter card would go there. Then we have images, so the same thing as over there, but this we have like bicycles, we have stars, birds, a butterfly, cameras, and they're under images. Then next we have journal. So I have journal, and I have journal specific, just like I did over here. So journaling cards, they're plain. Again, they can have small pictures, like this one has banners, you know, a little bird, but you know, a grid journaling card, any kind of journaling card would go here. Then after that, we have journal specific. So these are things I would specifically journal about, like unforgettable, pure awesomeness, the best is yet to come, happy day. All right, after that, we have list. And I only have one category, I believe, for those. So we have list, yeah. So like observations, good times, and I thought these I could make a list out of, little arrows. So they're there. After that, we have love. Okay, any kind of heart card, heart journaling card. All right, then after love, we have month, day, year. I do have all this in the same category. So we have today, numbers 1 through 31, this week, lately, this week. Okay, they are month, day, year. After that, we have numbers. So the same thing as before. Actually, there's, yeah, one little card that has numbers on them. Photo. So again, it's the same idea. If I could put a photo there, like I really like that one, I can put a photo there or here. Anything I can think any card I think I can put a photo on, that'll go into that category of photos. All right, so after that we have seasons, and I do have them all in the same section. They're not separated by fall, winter, or summer or spring. They're just all in the same category. All right, so after seasons we have symbols. So this is again the same idea as it was in my 3x4s, ampersands, geotags, light bulbs, arrows. After symbols, we have words. And I do have two categories for words. I have regular horizontal words, like this. Now, if I had a home and family section, that would go in here, but not a whole lot of 4x6 cards that have words on them, so I just kind of keep them all together. And that one was backwards. All right, after the horizontal words, then we have vertical words, like this. These are ones I don't use a whole lot, but they're there if I want to use them. All right, that is it. That's how I store my 3x4s and my 4x6 cards. So over here, I have this little box. These are all my stickers. So in this box, I do my project life every 2 weeks. I do print my photos at home. So I have all my photos right here. I have smaller photos. I have also some project life cards I made using my Cameo. Little envelope here. This holds vellum pieces that are 4x4, like vellum here. I also have the 3x3 and the smaller pieces there. I do keep them separate. Then this is old Cricut washi tape. I believe this was the Anna Griffin. I'm not sure, but you can see it's got dots, it's got bows, florals. But I'll use it every now and then. Stripes. Alright, so after that I have the 4x6 index cards. If I'm putting two 3x4 photos in a pocket, like a 4x6 pocket, I will adhere them to an index card to keep them together. Then just like in the other section, I do have my special cards here. These are just overlays that I have there. And then that is it. I have miscellaneous things. Again, more of those things here. I have miscellaneous things in the front, like tags, and things I might want to use like that. But that is how I store my project life cards. Any questions, my friends, please let me know. I will link these below. I want to say they were $19.99 for 100 of them. I think there's also a smaller pack. You get a pack of 50, but I do like them. They're good for this, for project life. They're good for filing. I really do. And they come with, I mean, you can see, there's 100 of them in there. You also get the paper to use them as well. All right, my friends, there you have it, how I store and organize my project life cards. Any questions, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.